AI summarizes 4-hour meetings into one slide, boss mode. Let's face it, the modern meeting is where productivity goes to die. It's a vortex of vague agendas, circular debates, half-eaten sandwiches, and the soul-crushing realization that quick sync just metastasized into a 4-hour deep dive with no life raft in sight. We emerge blinking into the daylight, clutching 43 pages of rambling notes, trying desperately to remember what was decided, who volunteered for what, and why Kevin spent 20 minutes passionately defending the merits of Comic Sans for the Q3 report. But what if I told you there's a technological Excalibur being forged, a digital guillotine poised to decapitate meeting bloat? Enter the era of AI meeting summarization, boss mode. This isn't just trimming the fat. It's vaporizing the entire cow and materializing a perfectly cooked Kobe beef sliver of pure insight. Imagine walking out of that marathon session, grabbing a coffee, and having a single glorious slide land in your inbox, capturing every decision, action item, key point, and even the underlying tension when Pam subtly threatened to quit if the breakroom coffee wasn't upgraded. That's boss mode. And it's not science fiction. It's happening right now. From note-taking nightmare to one-click nirvana. Think about the traditional meeting aftermath. It resembles an archaeological dig conducted by someone with amnesia. You have 1. The frantic scribbler tries to capture everything, ends up with cryptic shorthand only they understand. Agree on KPIs? Synergy? Hot beverage. 2. The minimalist jots down 3 words, then spends an hour interrogating colleagues about what Project Phoenix, Greenlight, actually means. 3. The recording reliant has 4 hours of audio, needs another 4 to transcribe, and 2 more to find the relevant bits buried under coughing fits and lunch orders. 4. Kevin is still talking about Comic Sans in the Slack channel. AI boss mode tools like advanced versions of Otter.ai, Fireflies.ai, Fathom, or even custom setups leveraging GPT-4, Claude 3, or Gemini are stepping in as the ultimate unflappable hyper-attentive digital executive assistant. Here's the magic. 1. The eagle-eared observer. It joins the meeting, Zoom, Teams, Google Meet, even in person via conference room mic. It doesn't just transcribe words, it understands them. It identifies speakers, follows threads, distinguishes arguments from agreements, and spots action items and decisions like a hawk spotting a mouse in a field. 2. The contextual connoisseur. It doesn't just hear Q3 projections. It knows if you're talking about sales projections in Europe based on the new marketing campaign discussed 45 minutes ago. It connects the dots humans lose in the fog of war or boredom. 3. The synthesis samurai. This is where boss mode truly activates. Instead of a raw transcript or a simple bullet list, the AI analyzes the entire conversation. It identifies 1. Key decisions. Approved budget increase for Project Alpha. Chose vendor B over vendor A. 2. Clear action items. Sarah to draft new proposal by Friday. Marketing team to analyze campaign ROI by end of day Wednesday. 3. Crucial discussion points. Concerns raised about timeline feasibility. Strong support for customer feedback initiative. 4. Open questions. Need IT confirmation on API integration timeline. 5. Sentiment and nuance. Optional boss mode pro significant debate on approach. Engineering cautious, sales optimistic. Pam expressed strong frustration regarding breakroom supplies. Use with caution. 4. The one-slide wonder architect. Taking all this synthesized gold, the AI doesn't dump it into a 10-page report. It crafts a single, visually clear slide. Think of it as a corporate haiku, distilled essence, maximum impact. This slide typically includes 1. A concise meeting title/date. 2. A 2 to 3 sentence executive summary. 3. Clear sections, decisions made, action items with owners and deadlines, key takeaways, open issues. 4. Optional boss mode enhancements. Automatically generated simple charts from discussed numbers, relevant snippets of the transcript for crucial points, links to reference documents. Why boss mode is more than just a cool name. Calling it boss mode isn't just marketing hype. It fundamentally shifts the power dynamic. Reclaim your time. The ultimate boss move. Imagine reclaiming hours per week previously lost to note deciphering, report writing, and meeting recap emails. That's time for actual strategy, deep work, or finally fixing that leaky tap Kevin mentioned in passing. Instant clarity, zero ambiguity. No more "I thought we decided that." Debates. The single slide is the canonical source of truth. Decisions and owners are crystal clear. Accountability skyrockets. Slay the follow-up meeting beast. How many meetings exist solely to recap the last meeting or check on action items? The boss mode slide, distributed instantly, often renders these obsolete. Progress happens faster. Focus the fury or enthusiasm when everyone walks out with the same clear understanding of what matters. Energy is directed productively. No more teams working at cross purposes based on different interpretations of the meeting fog. The ultimate BS filter. AI doesn't get distracted by Kevin's font crusade. It ruthlessly filters out the noise and focuses on the signal. The resulting slide is pure, uncut value. The comical and slightly terrifying edges of boss mode. Of course, handing this much power to algorithms isn't without its quirks. The overly literal in turn, AI, summarized the meeting. Slide appears. Key takeaway. Kevin really likes Comic Sans. Duration discussed, 17 minutes. Consensus, negative. Action item. Kevin to research alternative, professional fonts. Deadline, eternity or never, whichever comes first. The unflinching truth teller. Proceed with caution, sentiment analysis. Dave spent the first 30 minutes subtly undermining Sarah's proposal. Effectiveness, low. Awkwardness, high. Or, subtext detected. Team morale regarding the new TPS reports is approximately equivalent to that of a deflated whoopee cushion. The hyper-efficient overlord. Analysis of meeting efficiency. Only 23% of scheduled time contained actionable content. Recommendation. Schedule all future meetings involving Kevin for a maximum duration of 7 minutes. Enforce agenda with robotic precision. Kevin has left the chat. Who's the boss now? Syndrome. When the AI summary is clearer, more concise, and more actionable than anything the actual boss has ever produced, awkward questions may arise. Tread carefully, almighty algorithm. The future, beyond the slide, the meaningless meeting? Boss mode is just the beginning. The trajectory points towards even more radical efficiency. Pre-meeting AI briefs. AI analyses pre-reads and past context to generate a focused starting agenda before anyone logs on. Real-time guidance. AI subtly nudging the chair. Topic drifting. Action item not assigned. Kevin talking font again. Recommend mute. Automated action item tracking. Boss mode integrates with project tools. Asana, Jira, Trello. Automatically creating tasks from the slide and pinging owners as deadlines loom. No more chasing. The truly boss mode dream. Could AI run certain update meetings? analyze project status, identify blockers, generate the summary, and ping owners, all without human scheduling or attendance. We might not be far off. The 4-hour meeting could become a cautionary tale told to disbelieving interns. Embrace your inner boss. The AI meeting summarizer in boss mode isn't just a tool. It's a revolution in how we handle one of the biggest time sinks in professional life. It's about wielding technology to cut through the corporate kazoo and reclaim your most precious resource, time. It transforms the aftermath of a grueling meeting from a confusing chore into a moment of pure, unadulterated clarity. That single slide landing in your inbox isn't just information, it's liberation. It's the feeling of putting on noise-canceling headphones in a hurricane of corporate jargon. It's the digital equivalent of a deep, satisfying breath after being underwater too long. So, ditch the frantic scribbling. Silence the endless recap loops. Stop letting meeting sprawl dictate your schedule. Unleash the AI. Activate boss mode. Reclaim your time, your clarity, and your sanity. One gloriously concise slide at a time. Just maybe keep an eye on Kevin and the fonts. Some battles still need a human touch or a well-timed mute button. The future of work isn't about longer meetings. It's about smarter summaries. And that future is now. Go be the boss. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.